Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ugo, and of course I am looking like a mad person for now. I'm looking like a mad person for now, but I'm gonna be looking bit in a second. Anyway, I'm looking like this because I have my full face on, everything, and I have this powder here for my eyeshadow look, just in case of fallout. That's why I look like this. If you haven't subscribed already with this intro and me looking like this, come, what? Are we even friends? Why are you here? Why are you watching me? You're just watching me for watching sake. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up before you even see what I'm about to do. Hey, anyway, today is all about the Huda Beauty palette. Shout out to Beauty by T for giving me her palette so I can review it for you guys. And yeah, this is how the palette comes for people that get into the PR packages. I have the sand. This one comes with the sand. To open up the palette, it has a nice mirror, and then it has this laminated see, I don't know English. Of course, it comes with the eyeshadows in them. So you have all the eyeshadows in there, looking super gorgeous. I really don't know what colors I'm going to be going in with today, but I am just going to try my best to create something creative. I'm going to try and use as many colors as I can to create a very nice look, but I think I'll also make use of the glitter so you guys also see what that one is about. And this palette has 18 eyeshadows in 4 ready to wear layer textures, 8 buttery mattes, 6 pressed pearls, 3 duochromes, and 1 daring glitter. So that's what you get when you purchase this palette. Alright, so I'm just going to jump right straight into the tutorial. And my first transition shade today, I'll be going in with Eden. I'm taking the shade with a Morphe M330 brush, and I'm just going to, it's peachy, but it's appearing on my crease. I think I'm going to do like the halo look today, so I'm just going to start building that up. Can you see my halo? Halo. Oh, this brow is so on fleek today. It's so on fleek today. Next, I'm going to go straight in with Blazing, like a clay kind of color, and I'm just going to go straight into. If you do not, this is who the darling? Who the? Oh God, look at that color. Oh, okay, so we're experiencing fallout right here, but that's why the powder is there. Next, I'm going to be going in with the shade Oud. Yes, I think I'll go for, oh God. Okay, between saffron right here and Oud right here, I do not know which one to go in with next to like deep in my crease. So I am just going to go in with both. Now I'm going to be going in with saffron and Oud. Alright, our brushes are coated, and to do that I'm going in with a Morphe M507 brush. This is a very small blending brush, as you can see. Tap off that excess and go in. So I'm very sure Oud is darker. I love the color mixture it's giving me. Oh, okay, I'm not at this. And I'm going to be packing both colors on the outer corners and on the inner corners as well. So I'm just really patting them in. Next, I'm going to take a kind of semi-clean Morphe. Oh, this is a Newborn Beauty brush, and I'm going to go back in with Amber. Oh no, I'm going to go back in with Blazing and try and get my transition shade back on its grind. You know how I do. So I'm just gonna dip in, like blend my crease some more with this brush, because blending is key, people. Now I'm going in with my ColourPop concealer in the shade Golden 40. I'm just going to put some of that on the lid and try and create a clean space for this for the next color that's gonna go on. I'm just blending it now with a brush, a flat brush. A flat synthetic brush. And I want to go above my crease so that the payoff of the color, it's really there. Next, with the same flat brush I used, that's the Niban Beauty flat brush, I am going to go in with a bit of, see, I'm kind of in a dilemma here. I really want to be in the desert, but there are too many shades. I do not know which one to go with. I do not. All right, I'm going to go in with a bit of angelic first. Okay, so going with a bit of angelic. Just going to. Oh, come on, angel. Next, I'm not satisfied. I want to go into everything in this palette. So I'm going to go in with a bit of celestial. Celestial. This shade. I'm gonna go with this shade right here. Pat that over. It's not doing much. Yeah, it's not doing much. It has like specks of glitter in it. Yeah, it has like specks of glitter in it. Oh, I forgot this purple shade. I forgot. I forgot to me. So for my desert look, there will be no purple on my eye. I've not reached Dubai. If that purple is not my eye, I've not gotten to Dubai. So yes, I'm gonna go in with it's called Hey. Ain't Amethyst. You know what? I'm going in with this shade right here, and I'm going to use that to blend the shimmers and the matte shades together like this. Oh yes. How was I going to not do that? So now I'm just going to take a bit of Cosmo. Cosmo is the glitter shade in it. I'm just going to press that. I don't want too much of the Cosmo. I just want it, just to know it's there. Ooh. That's it. So just a bit of Cosmo here and there. Just for you to realize that I didn't come to play with anybody. So next I'm going to go in with the Marbrook gel liner and put some of that in my waterline. So this liner is black. So I'm going to go in with a bit of wood and blend out the black liner. So I'm just going to go in with that purple shade and look out the bottom lash some more. Just to give it a bit of, I think I should change brushes. Let me use something a bit more fluffy. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this fluffy brush. So next, I'm going to go in with some lashes from the Niban Beauty brand in the style Denim. I don't have to just look into one thing and fix lashes. I have to use a mirror to fix my lashes. If not, they will stand and sing my national anthem. I feel my eyes are they're really nice, but I just feel I need to amp it up a bit. Just gonna amp it up a bit. So I'm going to take my Morphe B16 brush and the shade Nefertiti and just use that to brighten up my inner corner. Okay, we are done with the eyes. Moving on to the lips. First, I'm just going to quickly line my lips with my Elegel pencil in cappuccino. Next, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Vivid Liquid Matte in the shade Nude Thrill. So I'm just going to use that and tap that over my lip a bit. Just to give some coverage already. Of course, for the star lippy, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Lip Stroke in the shade Angelic, just as yeah. Oh. So now that my look is done, we can go to Dubai. But all I need to do first is just let down my hair, brush it and look like a human being, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as I enjoyed creating it for you guys. I absolutely love the palette. So the palette did have a bit of fallout, which is normal, not unnecessary fallout like I saw from the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. It was basic fallouts that I see from every palette, and it has the payoff. The only color I think did not have like serious payoff on my skin tone was the purple one. That's the only one, and I cannot pronounce it. Sorry. So that's the only one I think I didn't find very pigmented, and I don't think it's supposed to be a pigmented purple. I don't know, but it was not that pigmented as the rest that I tried. I definitely understand the concept about the whole desert thingy. It's mostly like when the sun sets and what you get to see when the sun is setting. Also, I absolutely love the lip strobe. Absolutely lovely. I love this color. This is more like a nude shade because it doesn't really pop out there. Right now I feel like I'm in Dubai. My eyes are in Dubai even if my body is not, so I'm okay with that. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe do not forget to subscribe to your girl's channel. Leave a comment below, let me know what other looks you would like to see, anything else you would love me to review. If I have it, I'll do it. If not, I go and borrow it. This is from Benefit. I really love it. It's so cute. She's so cute. Say hi. She can't, obviously she can't see. If she said hi right now, I'll be outside, out of my own space. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.